How to teach yourself the use of Primavera P6. Are you new to Primavera P6 or you're struggling to learn Primavera P6 all by yourself? Search no more. Here we have developed a cheat sheet that can help beginners to learn Primavera P6 from the scratch all by themselves. So there are a few steps that I've outlined that can help beginners to learn this software and help you to dive in straight away. First, you have to learn how to create a project. So the first thing you need to learn is how to create a project. The second is how to create a work breakdown structure. The third is how to create activities. The fourth is how to create relationships. The fifth is how to create an assigned duration. The seventh is how to create resources. The eighth is how to assign resources. The ninth is how to maintain and assign baselines. The 10th and the last is how to create filters, layouts, and calendars. So when you look at these 10 steps and you're able to master it, I tell you, you'll be able to create your first schedule and you'll be proud of the results you get out of it. I hope this helps. Like, share, so that whenever we drop our videos, you'll be able to see them. See you in our next video. Bye.